All right, get excited. The product you've been waiting for is back in stock. Welcome back to the Detailing Business channel, by the way. I ordered this 6 months ago, and I finally got it in today. Believe it or not, 6 months I've been waiting. Oh yeah, hyper dressing's back in stock. Stick around, I'm going to tell you how to save 15% off on this product. All right, folks, so you've been asking and asking, where can I get hyper dressing at? Well, I'm going to tell you, you got to hurry. You got to act fast. Go right now down into the description. Click on the link before this is sold out. I'm telling you, it goes fast. There is a production shortage, and this is going to go fast. You got to act right now. Go down in the description, click on the link, enter the code on your screen, detailed image 278, and save 10%. If you buy more than one, you'll save an extra 5% off. Right now on Amazon, it's selling for $83.49, and that includes shipping if you have Prime. When you click on the link down below and put in the code on your screen, it'll save you 10%, and it brings it down to $62.99 plus shipping. Shipping is about $8 for one. So with the coupon code and you buy more than one, it becomes $58.84 plus shipping. Also down in the description is a link to this shirt. You'll also save 10%. It comes from the same place with the coupon code. In the past, when this becomes in stock, it's usually sold out within a day. So if I were you, I'd go down in the description now, click on the link, save 10%, buy more than one, save 15%. Awesome shirt. See you next time on the Detailing Business channel.